Hi, I'm Josh. I'm one of the plant doctors here at Moana Nursery on Pyramid Way, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about watering. Now, when it comes to keeping a healthy garden, the single most important component is probably irrigation. That being said, the variety of plants in all the different landscapes can create a multitude of challenges for gardeners to overcome. So when it comes to watering tools, gardeners need a reliable brand that offers solutions for any of the challenges that they may face. And so here at Moana Nursery, we're proud to offer one of the most trusted names in irrigation, Dramm. Dramm offers specialized watering tools for nearly every situation. Whether your plants need automatic coverage in a variety of spray patterns, or you need gentle rainfall with extended reach, or just a slow, deep soak. Dramm is also well known for their solid construction. Their products are designed with durability in mind, featuring sturdy metal components and dependable ergonomic shutoff valves, rather than plastic that'll break down in the sun or handles that'll break off when you're winding up your hose. And I have a few products here with me that I'd like to show you as examples. So first we have the Dramm turret sprinkler with 9 different spray patterns for whatever you might need. And we have wands in a variety of lengths that all have a gentle, natural, rain-like spray pattern. We also have spray nozzles with Dramm's amazing one-touch shutoff valve or the classic squeeze handle style. And lastly, we have this oscillating sprinkler that's good for any regular shaped lawn. And if you're signed up for Moana Nursery's free rewards membership program, you'll receive 40% off all tools and irrigation supplies, including Dramm products. So if you're not a member yet, feel free to visit our website or ask about enrolling on your next visit to Moana Nursery. If you have any questions, please come see me or any of our associates at any Moana Nursery location.